Hey guys, you're looking at Anker Robovac 10 vacuum cleaner. Package came with instruction manual, a remote control unit. It needs two AAA batteries and a HEPA filter. A charger and a few more cleaning brushes and a charging base station. So once you power on the button on top of the Robovac, it starts working. It, it cleans the complete carpet, and it can able to identify the objects and where it can turn around, come back and go again. Almost it completes the entire floor. If you look at that, like there have been some play items, and it perfectly go into that object close by, and it identify an object, just turn around and come back to this open space where it can clean other stuffs. It can able to move around, and if you look at that, like it was able to go inside the deep inside the carpet with those objects, still cleaning up all those areas. That's my daughter. Just look at this, like it can completely go around your furnitures, wherever it can go inside. It can perfectly cleans. I was able to put some things on the carpet, and it was able to clean them perfectly. So it intelligently like identifies the obstacle object, and it was able to move around the areas and clean them. And I'm going to show how much things got cleaned. You can see them. There was so much of dust and dust particles. So I'm going to put something on the floor, and let's see how it cleans. It just goes around and come back and again cleans that area. And I also tested it on the flat wooden surface. It does its job perfect. I'm going to put some dust on there. I'm going to switch it on. Let's see how it works on the hard wood surface. Look at there. And when it goes, it again comes back to the area and see if there are any more remaining space there. And it also cleans the rest of these item surfaces. If you look at first, it covered that area on the right side, and then it started going on the left side. So it perfectly cleaned that area. So on the remote button, I inserted two AAA batteries, as I said earlier. So once you start using your remote, you can make the Robovac to go back to the charging station by pressing the home button, and it can perfectly go there, search for the charging base station, and it can go and rest there and starts charging itself. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.